but they appreciate the effort we are putting in solving the issues they deal with.
Mheshimiwa, the Governor of Bomet, Honorable Isaac Ruto, is set to join NASA as the fifth principal. Does this mean that Jubilee government is losing in South Rift region?
Let's start this way. Finally, the things I used to say have now come to completion. I said a few years ago, and people thought we were just doing propaganda. And there's this mentality. People should appreciate that we have access to information. 3 years ago, when William Ruto was facing The Hague and the challenges of ICC, we told you that there were politicians who are already regrouping and working with the hope that they are going to inherit him in the resolve of the ICC issue. Of course, you know, they were dealt a big blow. You could see the disappointment when the ICC case came to an end. Now they tried all other maneuvers. So Isaac has always been in the radar of trying to undermine the deputy president. And he has been working for a while now with Raila Odinga. And when I told people the same, they used to say it's propaganda. So, but two, you must look at Isaac's desperation in context. He's going to lose the elections anyway, whether he joins NASA or not. And since he's going to lose, he would rather lose it with an excuse that I made a bigger blunder to move to a coalition like NASA. His arithmetic is that he hopes that he can get even 20 or 30 voters going to NASA because he knows he will lose the governorship, and he is hoping that he is going to be appointed to be a cabinet minister in a government that he is saying is going to be the fifth principal. Now, what a fallacy, because if you are an intelligent man, you cannot tell your voters, let's leave the second principle and go to the fifth principle. And a fifth principle that has no constitutional backing. We have the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, the principal number 2 politically in the country, and then you go back to the voters and say, we are unsatisfied with the principal number 2, let's look for a position like number 5, become a minister of gender in the government of NASA. I think it is ridiculous. It is a demonstration of highest level of desperation by the governor. We expected that when they unveil their lineup, they will be discussing or announcing to Kenyans how in 100 days they will change the constitution so that they accommodate political greed. They have no plan for development of the country. They have no plan for making this